Hello everyone, welcome back to Open Source DBA Technologies. Actually, I'm going to conduct a live practical training on Galera cluster for MySQL. You might think Galera cluster is available for MariaDB or Percono. So it's not true. Basically, Galera cluster is available for MySQL as well. So in this session, we are going to discuss Galera cluster deep dive, who introduce what are the features, benefits, variants, architecture, and it's pure hands-on setup. So pure practical training session, that too live. It's not recorded session like other trainers. So we are going to install and configure. I have 3 node cluster with CentOS streaming 10 version. I have installed latest version. So we'll take 3 node Galera cluster and we'll install MySQL 8.4 along with Galera Flow. And we'll test dropping the node, adding the nodes. Okay. Apart from that, whatever the commands I'm aware from the scratch, I will explain without hiding any knowledge. Okay. This is basically live session on Skype. If you have interest, you can join by paying. Fee will be just very less, only 399. You can pay Google Pay or PhonePe to my number, and just you can say screenshot to my WhatsApp as well. So I will add in the group. Okay. So who should join? Basically, if you are already working on MySQL DB or DevOps side, or you like to get on knowledge on Galera cluster, how you can implement for MySQL. Basically, anybody looking for truly a synchronous multi-master replication for MySQL. So those who has interested, they can enroll. So fee is very less, only 399 rupees. Okay. And yeah, I forget to tell you one thing. So timings, actually the timings on 2nd March 2025, I mean this Sunday only. Just it will take 1.5 hours to maximum 2 hours. Okay. So we'll discuss theoretically as well as hands-on experience, full practical session. Okay. So 2 hours maximum it will take 2 hours. Okay. It is live session on Skype. Okay. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST time. Okay, friends. In this training live session, we are going to discuss how to configure Galera cluster for MySQL using MySQL 8.4 and Galera 4. Okay. Apart from that, how can achieve with 3 node cluster, how can add, drop node, troubleshooting, cluster management, and tips, essential commands, everything, whatever I know, everything from the scratch, I will teach you on Galera cluster. So after this session, I'm sure you will expert on Galera cluster for MySQL. Okay. That's it, friends. Okay, that's what I want to convey. Myself, I am Raja Reddy. Okay, if you have any, just ping me or call me also, or to this. Okay, friends. Bye.